Hello, awesome readers! Today we're going to be reading Construction Site Spring Delight by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and A.G. Ford. As great big trucks begin their day, warm sunshine melts the snow away. The cold gray days have finally passed. Hooray! Now spring is here at last. The trucks start work, and as they do, they find springtime surprises too. Skid steers pushing with her blade, cement mixer pours concrete he's made. Side by side they're working strong, as robins sing a springtime song. Crane truck swings his boom around and lowers his hook to the ground. He grabs a load, then lifts his boom and finds bright tulips all in bloom. Dump truck has a busy day, hauling tons of dirt away. Flatbed hauls her heavy loads through the site and on the roads. Honk, honk, they greet the other trucks. Quack, quack, call out some baby ducks. Excavator does a spin. He revs, he's ready to begin. He digs right in, dirt starts to fly. Two little lambs look on nearby. While big bulldozer clears the ground, more spring surprises are soon found. He moves a mound of rock and sees some bunnies playing happily. When work is finished for the day, the trucks ask their new friends to stay. There is one more big surprise, an Easter egg hunt super size. New beginning, special friends, that's how this joyful spring day ends. With Easter blessings and delight. Happy spring, construction site. The end. Thank you so much for reading with me. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can read together again.